It is finally here, my PGYTech OneMo Lite. Inside the box, it's the PGYTech OneMo. And the bag. PGYTech OneMo Lite. Yes. And look at the compartments already set up. Yes. And this is the compartment for your computer. You can put 2 computers inside. This bag is great. And also, you can add your tripod to the side and connect it. Storage compartment. And has zippers. You can add more stuff in there. And the material is vinyl, so you won't have to worry about when it gets rained, your bag get messed up. So that is a good thing. Make sure you go out and purchase the PGYTech OneMo Lite.